Is your next medical device made in America? Not long ago, most medical devices shipped to US hospitals took a journey around the world before they ever touched an operating room. But now, that's changing, and fast. Let's talk about the surge in reshoring, the big move to bring medical device manufacturing back home to the US. Why does it matter? Because in the last few years we've all seen how fragile global supply chains can be. Remember those PPE shortages and delayed ventilators? Suddenly, Made in America isn't just a slogan, it's a necessity. Here's what's happening. Big names in medtech, like Medtronic, Stryker, and Boston Scientific, are investing in US factories. According to the Reshoring Initiative, over 350 medical device projects have moved stateside since 2021. That's tens of thousands of jobs, engineers, technicians, even entry-level assembly line workers, opening up across the US. Places like Indiana, Massachusetts, and Texas are seeing the gains. But it's not just about jobs, it's about control. Reshoring means quicker production, tighter quality checks, and way fewer headaches for hospitals that need equipment fast. Check out these numbers. In 2023, the US imported over $60 billion in medical devices. But experts say that number's dropping as more companies reshore. In fact, in the past year alone, domestic medical device production has grown by nearly 18%. What does that mean for you and me? More reliable access to life-saving tech, heart stents, infusion pumps, and surgical robots made right here at home. For workers, it's a shot at high-paying, future-proof careers. For the US economy, it's a boost in manufacturing muscle and a step toward independence from global shocks. But it's not all smooth sailing. Building new factories, that takes time. Training the next generation of medical device workers, that's a challenge too. And let's not forget, some components still rely on rare materials from overseas. Reshoring isn't a magic switch, it's a process. Still, the momentum is real. More jobs, stronger supply chains, less foreign dependency. The next time you're in a hospital or just picking up a prescription, ask yourself, could reshoring change the future of American healthcare? Only time will tell. Subscribe for more reporting on American manufacturing and healthcare.